In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how I transform my body, and I pretty much got a coach to help me structure my daily routine. I got a gym membership. I went twice a day, and I made sure that I was consistent. I was putting in the work. I was getting in my sets, my volumes. I will keep track of my workouts, the exercises, the sets, the weights, the reps. I'll work on my form. I'll make sure my diet is on point. I was eating real foods, cut out the junk and the processed foods. Make sure you guys get a scale and weigh out your foods when they're cooked. If they're frozen, make sure they're thawed out. I felt worthy of getting help from my coach because I wanted to solve my problems. I remember a time when I was out of shape and I felt low energy. I lacked confidence. I lacked direction and goal. And this made me feel less of a man. I felt like I wasn't able to lead. Once I got into better shape, I felt stronger. I felt more attractive. I was getting better sleep. I was able to journal, and I was reducing my stress. I was able to cut out bad behaviors from myself and the other people that I associated with. I was understanding with myself. I made certain mistakes, whether it was bad form or my diet was off, my sleep was off. I got a tracker, a Whoop band tracker, to help me track my sleep and to track my calories, my stress, my weight. I would have my coach and he would keep me accountable each week with the pictures, with my weight, and he would structure out my meal plan. And it pretty much took the guesswork out of it and made it what I thought a difficult process come an easy process for me to see results. Once you guys get results, you're gonna get addicted to it. And I felt that it was easy to talk to people in the gym. When you're happier, when you're stronger, I felt like I was more social as a person. And it's easy to talk to people, to men, to women, to form friend groups, to see what they're passionate about, and to have an open mind and heart to learning. One of the main reasons why I started this channel is because I wanted to document my journey and to see what I could do, because I have one life and I want to have the best life that I could have for the second half. Because before, I remember myself being aimless. I didn't have any direction and I was feeling super depressed because I didn't have goals. If you guys ever read that Psycho-Cybernetics book by Maxwell Maltz, he talks about having goals, and that would allow you guys to embrace life instead of embracing the dark side. I dove more into self-development books, and there was a time when I got broken up. I was broken heart. I was super depressed. I felt like I couldn't breathe. I got cheated on, and I deserved it because I was playing video games. I wasn't being true to myself. And I had to learn that I had to level up. I used that pain to improve myself, to become a better person, to learn how to speak to myself through Toastmasters, and to be more social with other people. And I think that if I could do it, you could do it. I'm 41 years old. I was able to get super shredded within 60 days. And to feel worthy of loving myself, to have self-respect, to have self-love, to improve my self-talk, and to be more positive and optimistic, and to meet more friends, to have different kinds of experiences. I came out to Medellin, Colombia to try and improve myself, to put myself out there, to learn, to invest into myself, to build a new life, essentially. And I hope you guys join me on my journey to becoming the best version of yourself. I'll check you guys another time. One of the main reasons why I started my fitness journey was because I knew that I was half-assing life and it transferred into other areas of my life. And I wanted to self-improve, to become stronger, to be a leader, because as a 41-year-old man, I'm only 5'6.5". I have to be the best, strongest, smartest version of myself. And I think that fitness, it solves a lot of problems, internal, external, and it would allow me to be a protector and a leader for myself and my family. Why'd you guys start your fitness journey?
Man, I started my fitness journey. I changed my body, but decided to help others to quit porn addiction. And I remember struggling, watching porn for 8 to 10 hours, and I felt useless in the past. I felt I have no ability, I didn't have any energy to do anything to achieve my goals. And between 20 and 30 years old, I didn't do nothing. And that's why I want to help others to feel good and to redirect that energy to healthier things.
Mm-hmm.
I know I am able to do that, and also to improve my life and my family life also.
How do you feel being in the best shape of your life compared to before?
Man, I feel really good. I feel with a lot of energy to do a lot of things, and to demonstrate that, I changed my body. In the past, I never imagined I could pay for a coaching program, and here I am also in Colombia, improving myself, developing my skills. I never imagined this, and I'm with a legend here, Vaughn, that he's also doing the same, and also Bismore, that he's here, and we are also in the same path. We want to help people, we want to improve ourselves, and man, this is amazing.
How much weight did you lose on your journey?
I lose, let me see, 50 pounds.
Wow.
Yeah, it was a lot. I was fat as fuck, man.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Why did you start your fitness journey?
Well, my belief is that if men can regain their presence, their health, and their strength through not making fitness their whole life, as opposed to having it complement their life, we'll solve a lot of the problems. So, for a long time, I was spinning my wheels. I was filling a void with fitness, yo-yoing back and forth, dieting, losing weight. And when I discovered this approach, it completely changed my life. And I want to share this with the world. I want to share it with people. And yeah, most of my beliefs come from that. So this is my journey.
How do you feel after getting into the best shape of your life?
Oh man, it's a complete game changer. Doors open right open. You get better choosing signals from women. I mean, all these are they may sound superficial on the surface, but it really goes deeper than that. There's more layers to it.
Mm-hmm.
And it is my belief that fitness does solve a lot of problems for men. Religious men, busy men, men trying to add it to their life. So that's my stuff.
Awesome.
Yeah, man.